Hi friends, you are seeing a world's simplest AC generator. This is KSS Kashyap from EC branch from Kotam Karnagare Institute of Technology. And you are seeing a world's simplest AC generator. See carefully. There is a wooden box and inside magnets and the coil, copper coil, and which is wheel which is easily to rotate the magnet which is present inside, and this nail will be acts as the shaft to rotate the magnets very easily. Okay, uh, first of all you have to know the generator definition. Generator device which converts the mechanical energy into electrical energy. Okay, and in these generators there is two types though. And first one is statically induced EMF produced generator, and second one is dynamically induced EMF produced generator. And if the magnetic field is constant, the armature will be rotate. It will be called as dynamically induced EMF generator. And if the magnetic field will be rotate and the coil will be means armature will be constant as here shown. Okay, the magnetic field will be rotate and the coil will constant, so it is called a statically induced EMF generator. Okay, and to construct this generator I am taken a wooden box which consists of windows also. See carefully, windows also. Because of these windows the cutting of the magnetic field will be increased. Okay, the cutting of the magnetic field will be increased by this core, by this copper coil. The copper coil will be take around 50 meters or 70 meters as your wish, and then take bar magnets or as shown here, circular magnets 2 or 3 as your wish, and take a shaft. Okay, and this construction will be present here, the side view of my generator. See carefully, and this side also. Okay, and next I am wound the 50 meters of the copper wire equally on this side and equally on this side also. Okay, the first end of the wire will be kept aside, and the last end of this copper wire will kept on the side. And next you will attach a wheel, or you can handle by any handles also. You can easily to rotate the magnet as shown. Okay, as here shown. And next the shaft will be very closely and very tightly fit into this wooden box. Okay, and next touch the magnets with the copper coil, and you have to remove the golden core. You have to remove the golden core of this wire at first end, and second side also you have to remove the copper coating. Okay, by this process you will get very perfect results of this generator. Okay, see carefully. See friends, I am attached a voltmeter or DMM to this generator, and the first end will be connected to positive side, the second end will be connected to negative side. Okay, the black will be shown you to negative and the first will be positive. But this is AC supply, because of this is a statically induced EMF generator, and there is no brushes or slip rings or split rings. There is no type of instrument there. So we will get AC values only. Okay, and friends, you have to set the DMM in AC supply only, not in DC mode. Okay, you have to set in AC mode. around 20 volts or 200 volts anyway. Okay, but we can get accurate values. Okay, it was showing reading minus, so I am connecting the reversal of the poles. Okay, and next I am rotating this magnet with the help of this wheel. See carefully. Okay, the magnet will be rotating, so the cutting of the field is also increased by the copper wire. So we will get the readings on DMM. I will show you. See here, the readings are up to 1 volt, 3 volts, 4 volts. Okay, 4 volts, 3 volts. So a AC EMF is produced here around 2 volts or 3 volts. See carefully. I am rotating magnet here very fastly. Show the reading. Around 3 volts, around 2 volts. You are getting 0.3, 0.4. You are getting. By increase the copper wire windings on the magnetic field, these are mostly used magnets. These are already used. Because of this one, we are getting less voltage here. It is around 4 volts, 3 volts, 5 volts also it was given. And I am rotating here fastly with the help of wheel. And the shaft is also rotating. Because of this shaft, the magnet is rotating. We are getting values around 5 volts, 4 volts. Okay, see there in DMM. I am setting this DMM in AC mode, not in DC mode. See carefully. See here, the pointer is there. Okay. See friends, this type of generators will be used to produce a more amount of EMF by the mechanical force, mechanical rotation, and it was giving the electrical values. Okay, so some rotation force is converted into electric force. Okay, because of it was giving values around 4 volts or 5 volts also. Because I am keeping this DMM in 200 AC volts. By this reason it was showing 0.4 or 0.5 volts. Is that 0.4, 0.3, 0.4. Because I am keeping this DMM in 200 volts AC. So once again you have to see the construction of the magnet and generator, statically induced generator. Once again I will tell. And the magnets, see carefully the side view of the generator, and I am connecting the one end of the copper wire will be connected to the positive, and the other end will be connected to negative. Okay, and this will be connected to DMM. And next on that side I am using for free rotation of the magnet. I am using a wheel. Okay, thank you friends. Thank you friends. Is there any doubt about my generator? I will give an email ID to you, so note down. My email ID, Gmail ID is k.s.s.kasyap@gmail.com. Okay, is there any doubts about my generator? You can call me, you can give the Gmails to me. Okay, bye.